guys, so today I've got a Halloween haul to do again, but this time it's a beauty haul. So it's got mainly makeup really, and there is like one or two bath and skincare things as well. I've got to be a little bit quiet, so I apologise if it sounds like I'm whispering a little bit, but let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this from Hexbomb. Now I got three things from here, well, sort of three things. It came packaged really cute. It's all in like tissue and there's like worms and stuff in here as well. So I got two of their face masks. I got this one, which is called Hex Mask Nightmare, and it's got purple clay, lavender, grape skin and vision in it. A vitamin rich detox mask, it says. So it's a powder basically, and you mix this with water. So I got the set. It comes with this little dish that you mix in. I've already mixed one in there, I've just not cleaned it very well. This cute little spoon and this brush as well. So the brush kind of looks like a broomstick, which is really sweet. It's like a wooden kind of design, and because this is sort of made of a plasticky material, it's really soft, but once you've put your mask on you can actually wash this off really easily, and it dries super quickly. It dries literally like within 20 minutes or something, so that is very good for masks. So like I said, I got the purple one and I also got the black one. So this is the black one. It's called Black as Your Soul, and this has black clay, roses, cocoa and darkness in it. When they're on, they're actually like, this is really pitch black, and this is kind of like a dark purpley brown sort of colour. They go a lot darker than they are in here. Obviously this looks a little bit grey in here, but it's really black on your face. Absolutely love these. They dry like rock hard. You know how usually when you move your face with a mask and it all cracks? This doesn't even do that. Your face is like stone, and when you wash it off your skin is like really soft. So absolutely love these. I think I like the black one better than the purple one. The purple one kind of stung my face a little bit, I'm not sure why, but I will definitely be rebuying this black one when I run out. Apparently there's 20 to 25 masks in each of these, so that's pretty cool. And then I also got this little perfume oil from them as well. So it looks like this, Hex oil. And this is the, is it Samhain? I don't know how you really say it right, but that's what it looks like. It has like little red dots of oil in there. Not a massive fan of this smell. It is autumny and pumpkin-y, but it also sort of smells a little bit like clove oil, and I really hate clove oil. So my idea for this is not to use it as a perfume, but to also buy a vanilla oil and mix the two together maybe, or put it in like a little thing for my car, you know, that you hang off your mirror so that it scents my car out basically. So that's my idea for that. They also sent some little treats in here as well, which is really cute. Called vampire gum. Boom, vampire gum. So they are very cute, and like I said, all the packaging and stuff in this was really cute, and I love the box and everything. So that was from Hexbomb, my first kind of beauty thing. Then next I'll do the stuff I got from Primark. So the first thing I got is some nails. I'm wearing some right now, which is these ones. So they are called Candy Skull. They look a bit Beetlejuicy if you ask me. These were £2.50, and this is what they look like on. Super cute. I actually bought loads and loads of these so that I can wear them through the year. I also got these ones, which are called Dripping Blood. These ones were £1.50. And I got these ones which are called Spiderweb, which have like glittery black and then little spiders on the red ones, and these were £2. So I, like I said, literally got about 13 boxes of these for the year. And then the other two things I got from Primark are these cute little lip glosses. So these were £1.50 each. There is this little cauldron one. I'll get them out of the box actually, it'll probably be easier, won't it? So this cute little cauldron, and they open at the bottom. I have used this already, just a little bit. And a little pumpkin. The pumpkin one tastes a little weird to me. It's a different gloss in here. This one's like a pink colour. I don't know if it's actually supposed to be pumpkin like flavoured maybe, but that is the little pumpkin. So they are really, really cute. I love this one. This is cute. And next I went to Lush and I got two things from Lush. Lush is really expensive these days, so I didn't get much. The first thing I think they sell all the time, but it was with the Halloween stuff, it's called Scrub Scrub Scrub, and it's a shower scrub. It says crack the pot of dark crystals open and scrub with fine sea salt, blackberry puree and powdered charcoal. This is a scrub that sets the bathroom alight with magic. And if you look inside, it is pitch black scrub. It smells very blackcurranty, like blackcurrant juice. It is a little weird though. I used this in the shower the other day and I expected it to be quite a thick scrub, but it's actually very, very thin. It's really kind of oily with only a little bit of scrub in it. So if you want something very, very exfoliating, I definitely wouldn't go for this. It's a very light exfoliator, but it smells really good though. And then the other thing I got from them in their little Halloween collection was this solid perfume. So it's called Ectoplasm and it's like a bright neon yellowy green colour. This was £9 and it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know what it's actually supposed to be, but it smells like lemons mainly. Lemon, maybe orangey, grapefruit, lime. It's just really, really fresh. I wouldn't really say it's a Halloween smell. It's more of a summery smell, but it smells amazing. It smells like lemon sherbets, the sweets. So that is what I got from Lush. And then I have a giant box of makeup in here. So the first things I'll show you are the Makeup Revolution stuff. So I got this palette, which is called Under Your Spell. And it's 8 jewel eyeshadows. Again, I'm not really sure why this is like a Halloween thing in the collection because it's pink and stuff, but fair enough. And it has a big mirror at the top and then these 8 big eyeshadows down here. They are super, super pigmented. I'll put something else on first and then I'll swatch these as like a base. So the next thing is these highlighters. Now I only got 3, there was 4. I got these 3, so they come in like a little skull bottle. There is this one which has a pink shine, which is called Lover's Wrath. There is this one which has a greeny blue shine, which is called Envy. And there is this one which is called Paranormal, which is sort of like a silvery gold shine. So I'll show you these on my hand and then I'll use this as the base for the eyeshadows. The other one that I didn't get of these was like a bright red, and I'm not really sure what you would do with a bright red liquid highlighter really. I mean, unless you use it kind of other places on your body, say you're going out at Halloween or something, and you wanted your fake blood to look sparkly or something like that maybe, but for an everyday kind of thing, I don't really know why you would use those. So this is what they look like on your hand, and I'll blend them out a little bit. So they're very, very oily. Like I said, this is Envy, this is Lover's Wrath I think it was called, and this is Paranormal. Now I'm gonna use this as a base for the eyeshadows. So I'll show all 8 of them. There is Sorcery, Charmed, Bewitch, Enchanted across the top line, and then there's Siren Song, Magic Spell, Voodoo Doll and Love Potion across the bottom line. So I'm gonna just kind of do them in a swipe across my hand. So that's the first 4 there, the top row. And then I think the bottom row is definitely my favourite colours. The blue is really, really nice actually. Okay, so that is the bottom row. I think the only one not showing up very well is maybe this one. Let me see if I can get a bit more. No, it is quite a light one. But yeah, that is the Under Your Spell Makeup Revolution palette. And like I said, the little skull shaped highlighters. They have like a pipette thing at the top, that's how you get it out. Next I got their powder highlighter. So it looks like this, called Haunted Lights, and it's got a skull. This is a little bit of a weird coloured highlighter. It's kind of green. Like the reflex in it are quite green coloured. I'll put it here. So just here on my hand. It's definitely more wearable than some of the liquid ones as a highlight, but it does have like a tiny bit of a green tinge to it. It would have probably been good with this makeup I'm wearing today actually. And then I got 2 of their lipsticks as well. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's got skulls and flowers on it, and it shows you like what the colour is at the bottom. So I got this one and this one. This one is called Sinister Seduction, this light one, and this one is called Corpse Bride, this darker one. And also, which is really cute, they have a little skull and crossbones like printed in them, which I think is very sweet. So put them on my arm here. They're actually quite difficult to put on because of the shape of the top part, which is a little bit weird, but there we go. So I don't think I would repurchase the lighter one, it's quite an orangey colour, but the other one's nice though. They're what they look like. This one reminds me of Androgyny by Jeffree Star a little bit. That's the 2 lipsticks. And then last but not least, we have some LA Splash stuff. So I have 3 things from LA Splash. One of them I'm wearing right now, which is the Classic Horror liquid lipstick. This is in the colour Invisible Woman. The packaging is really, really cute. I actually wish that I got more of these because I really like it. And it's kind of like a greeny grey kind of colour. The bottle's also really, really cute. It says Invisible Woman up there with her little picture on it, and then Classic Horror down here. I'll swatch it just so you can see, but obviously it's what's on my lips right now. So that, oh, that was the stupidest place to swatch, wasn't it really? Looks like this. I've had this on all day, so I think I put this on at maybe about 1 o'clock, and it's now 7:30 and I've not topped it up at all. It's really matte, it really stays on. I have eaten as well. I mean, it's coming away a little bit like here, but not enough that I really need to like put it back on, so that is cool. And then the other 2 things I got are some of their eyelashes. So I've got Classic Horror eyelashes in Phantom and Classic Horror eyelashes in Mummy. These ones are definitely my favourite. I'll show you what they look like when you open the box, because the packaging inside is also really cool. So when you take it out of the box, it looks like this, and this slides off here like that. So these ones are Mummy, and let's open the other ones. These ones are Phantom. I don't think these are really one that I would generally buy. I think on the picture they looked a little bit different, which is why I ended up getting them. I don't really like when they're chunky like this. I like when they're more wispy like this, but I'll try them out and see what they look like. So yeah, that was my Halloween beauty haul. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do another, just a normal Halloween, like part 2 haul soon when I've got some more stuff. But yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and if you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.